Now to get the radiator to move just a little bit, which is good, all I need to do is move a little bit. I took off 3 screws. There's one up here, one down here, and one over here. And you can move it backwards just a little bit and you won't hurt it. But I can get in and I can look beyond here on the other side. And then what I want to do is I want to look for any problems or anything like that. That's all I can get at. That's enough. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my either this and get in here with it and get the excess dust and everything out of there if there is any without hurting the fins, or I may take this one and do it right here. As long as you're going to do this and you can take out 3 screws and then clean the whole thing up, you're going to have a much more better efficient bike. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if you can just get it without all kinds of junk on it, it really helps. Okay, I'm going to clean it and then get back to